Hi, my name is Daniel Maloney, the Matrox booth, IBC 2024. So a lot of new technology at the show. I'd like to take you for one run through, give you an idea of what you could learn here today, if you were here. A Monarch Edge encoder, decoder. This is a long, we've been selling this for a few years now. H.264 encoder, 42210-bit. For contribution and remote production. Supports SRT, MPEG-2TS, been one of our staples for video over IP transport for a number of years. However, as we move into new markets and new applications, we see that there's a need to support other video IP formats. And our brand new Matrox Avio IP Gateway product allows you to convert from one video over IP format to another, such as NDI, JPEG XS2110, IPMX, SRT. These formats can be converted from one format to the other without ever bringing them back to baseband network. So being able to monitor them while doing the transcode is a key application for the Avio. But the Avio also has baseband inputs such as SDI and HDMI should you want to encode to one of those SRT, NDI, IPMX formats. At the show this year, we've got the Convert IP. A number of years now we've been selling the Convert IP. Transition to video, 2110 video for broadcast and other video transport. So it's full uncompressed over 2110, 110G, 25G network. That's what these converters are able to do. Take SDI and HDMI, convert them to 2110. We also have encoding capabilities in the Convert IP, JPEG XS. And it supports the IPMX, a new video over IP standard promoted by AIMS, targeting Pro AV applications. So not only is this product suitable for conversions in the broadcast space, but also for the Pro AV space. And the new features that we're showcasing today at the show are a new SDM module version of the Convert IP. This fits in monitors, such as this Panasonic monitor, so you don't have an external box. For event and staging, an organization can ship just the monitor and connect the network directly to the back of the monitor. We also have features like the multi-view feature, a new gateway feature to take uncompressed and send it to compressed. Again, we're continuing evolving the Convert IP lineup of products, and we think it'll be a staple for a lot of the Pro AV installations and broadcast installations for years to come. We have a routing solution as well called Conduct IP. That's a way of using NMOS open standards. We're routing not only Matrox products, but any product supports NMOS. So we discover and route, such as that JPEG XS enabled red camera at the top. It's able to be detected by Conduct IP and then routed to a Convert IP, which we're showcasing in our multi-view at the moment. So what you'll see here is our dedication to open standards. We feel interoperability is important to growing the ecosystem, and all of our tools here really espouse interoperability, including our brand new KVM called Avio 2. Now, the Avio 2 is a KVM that's NMOS. All of our equipment is found in our rack. And Avio 2 is a KVM, but it's the world's first KVM that's NMOS routable. So that takes mouse and keyboards in addition to audio and video from your computer and routes it from the server room to your operator desk. And it's routable via NMOS. That means any NMOS controller can route it. Not only that, the signals are standard IPMX signals, which means third-party IPMX receivers could just say use the video, including our own Convert IP. We're seeing here the desktop content from the Avio being decoded by our Convert IP encoder and decoder. Again, all of our technology moving forward is going to be open standards based, and everything that the show floor here today is dedicated to that. So that's that's what we're seeing at the show. I hope that you learned a little bit today, and come to matrox.com to learn a bit more of any of these products.
And I would like to ask you also, what do you think about the main trends of our development, of industry development, I mean?
So main trends Of course, been a number of years now that video over IP and 2110 has been part of the broadcast space. So moving uncompressed video over networks is not new to broadcasters, but increasingly corporate, enterprise, governmental, military, medical spaces are looking to do the same things, move away from dedicated baseband signals like HDMI and SDI and move the video over networks. Now sometimes that won't be uncompressed. We see the trends happening open standards based, compressed, low latency transport of video and being routable with, again, such as an NMOS routing protocol. We certainly see that moving outside of the broadcast space and into the more generalized Pro AV market. So that's the trends I would say most prevalent in the show today.
Thanks a lot.
You're very welcome.